Mga bros, what's up? Study time ulit. May napulot kaming glue. Tapos, bebenta namin sana 100 pesos. Kaso, walang nakabili. Kasi, sinabi ko, somebody give it to us. And it cost 1,000 pesos, he said. Because this is gold. And this is for rich mans. And this is, good. You want to buy it? 100 pesos, lowest price. Sabi niya, no. Gusto sa shop daw. That's 80 pesos or 50 pesos. You're too expensive to sell. Bye.